Hey everyone! Hope you all are safe and doing absolutely fine. So I'm back again with my second trial on Zentangle Art. If you haven't watched the first part yet, go and check it now. I have linked all the information in the description box below. Also guys, do subscribe to my channel, and if you haven't, please go and click on the red button. You'll see it down below, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I've linked all my accounts down below in the description box. Thank you all so much for your love and support. You all have been so kind, sending all those sweet messages all throughout. This means a lot to me. Love you all. Until we meet next time, stay healthy, stay safe and happy. Bye bye and take care.